Stop buying bulbs that make the wrong room feel harsh or gloomy. Feit's soft white is the default. Switch to daylight for tasks or Philips for warmer dimming. Choose by room mood, task clarity, and dimming. For most homes, buy the Feit Electric Enhance 60W replacement soft white A19 dimmable LED light bulb. Its 2700K glow suits bedrooms, living rooms, and everyday lamps without making them feel stark. You also get broad dimming control, solid value, and 5-year coverage. The catch is that dimming quality depends on your existing dimmer. Skip it if you want crisp task lighting or a bulb that becomes more amber as brightness drops. For kitchens and offices, choose the Feit Electric Enhance 60W replacement daylight A19 dimmable LED light bulb. Its 5000K output gives counters, desks, and utility spaces a cooler, more task-focused look. It keeps the strong value, controlled dimming, and 5-year warranty of the soft white version. But that cooler tone can feel severe at night. Skip it for bedrooms or living areas where relaxation matters more than visual crispness. For warm dimmed rooms, pick the Philips Ultra Definition 60W replacement A19 dimmable LED light bulb with warm glow effect soft white. It shifts toward a warmer tone as you lower the brightness, giving bedrooms and dining areas an incandescent-style mood without apps or Wi-Fi. It usually costs more per bulb, and its 3-year warranty trails Feit's 5-year coverage. Skip it if low cost, fixed color temperature, or smart color control matters more. Quick split. Soft white fits most living spaces. Daylight belongs in kitchens and offices. Philips Warm Glow is for rooms where dimming should create a cozier mood. Before buying, check the fixture shape, choose the room's color temperature, and confirm your existing dimmer works with dimmable LEDs. Start with Feit's soft white for most rooms. Switch to daylight where task clarity matters, or Philips when you want the light warmer as it dims. Match each bulb to its room, then stop deliberating. Links are in the description. Squared away. Buy by the problem, not the loudest claim. Subscribe for the next setup guide.